getting ready and we're gassing up the truck and we're gassing up the boat back there. There it is. Yay! We're gonna go fishing today. We're gonna go out of Key Largo. Not quite sure where we're going out of yet. Some different places that we thought about is going down to Caribbean Resort since it's so close as you come into Key Largo, or if we're going to go all the way down to Harry Harris Park. So we'll figure it out. It depends on how full the keys are. Hopefully today will be a really good day and we'll catch some fish. Let's see what we catch. Heading down to the Keys. We're on the highway. Boat in tow. Thank goodness it's still back there. Really important. What are we looking to catch today, babe?
Whatever bites.
So whatever we can get our hands on, as long as it's legal, we're keeping it.
As long as it's legal enough to bring home and cook.
Exactly. Well, you know, there's some fish out there that are kind of but we'll see what happens. We'll see. I mean, I would love to catch one of these right here, but we're not going to be in deep enough water for that, unfortunately.
Wind's blowing too hard for a little bit.
Yeah. So we're going to try to stay inshore, see if maybe we can catch, I don't know, some snapper, porgy, anything really. We'll see what happens. Or we're going to head down to the Keys, and if all goes well, maybe we'll even take a dip in the water.
See if we can get tangled up with some tarpon.
Yeah, okay. On those light tackle rods? It'll break the rod before we can get the tarpon even to surface level. First time we've launched from John Pennekamp. Not bad. There's like barely anybody here. We were actually the last boat that was let into the park, which was actually pretty cool. So it looks like it's pretty calm out there today. It's supposed to be less than 1 foot seas. We're gonna try to get out to the reef and maybe do some fishing there and see what happens. Hubby's parking the car, taking forever, par for course. So I'm just sitting here meditating, enjoying this breeze. We'll see you out on the water. Stop. So, what does BOAT stand for? Say it. Bust out another 1,000. So, true to form, something happens, right? We went out to John Pennekamp, went out to the Atlantic side. It was real rough. Waves were at least 3 feet at the very least. So we decided to come back in, and the boat turned off. Then, in the channel, trying to get out to Key Largo Sound, figuring, you know, that should be safer. In the channel, it turned off again. We just had it serviced a couple days ago. So we are headed to our mechanics to find out, to see what's going on with the boat. Hopefully it's nothing major. And if he can save the day, we might try to find another boat ramp and come back out, see if we can at least save our day. We'll see what happens. So here's where we're at in this process. Notice there's no boat behind us. Took it out for a test drive with the actual mechanic, and turns out that it is the little fuel regulator and the fuel pump that is basically starving the engine of fuel. So we had to leave the boat down here in Key Largo with our mechanic, and we didn't get to go fishing. We didn't even get to go in the water other than maybe just test drive it around so he can see what it was doing. And it's hot. It's 93 degrees and there is a huge storm on the way. So today was not meant for the water, unfortunately. Maybe we can get home in time to like have a dip in the pool. But the boat should be ready by next weekend, so maybe we can get to the water and we can do some fishing. Thanks for watching, guys.